Yeah, how you doing, YouTube world? It is fucking middle of October, not even winter yet. It's the first day of spring out here. I mean, fall out here. Look at this shit. Fucking snow. Motherfuckers, yeah. You know? Not even winter yet, really. It's only fall. Yeah, and it's definitely falling. Fucking snow. Snow falling. Some bullshit. Take a little journey to the store. You know? Yeah, a little journey to the store here, people. Went up around the corner. Oh, I'm gonna fall and busted my ass. Yeah. I'm not really too sure if y'all can see the snow falling in front of me or not on this fucking snowy ass day. But I'll tell you the truth, people, I am not ready for this shit at all. Walking in a little roof of the pizza place here. Yeah, there you go. Back out. Man, I so wish I had a fucking vehicle to drive and I don't have to walk in this stupid shit. No, but look at this shit. The snow just started falling like probably 20 minutes ago. Look how much we got already. You know? Yeah, people. That's the ticket. That's the way it goes. I don't know, probably later on this evening I'm gonna do a shout out for a couple of people, hook them up, you know. Even I don't know why I don't know what they mean hook them up, because they got more people than I do anyway. They have people I don't have, they have already, but you never know, I might have a few that they don't have. You never know. So I'm gonna give them a shout out. If y'all want, go to my page, and I believe there, I don't know what side it is on, and check the people on that list. You know, I got a few people on that list y'all check out. I got a new inspiring rap out of Worcester in there, from where I'm from out here. Across the fucking main road here. Fucking slippery ass main road, so I don't fall and bust my ass. There we go. Fucking made it. Like I thing. You can check him out, you know. He's the first one at the top of the list when you go into my page. Said it, he's the first one. It's called Killer T Music. Check him out, you know. If you like him, subscribe to him. Pass him around, get the word out there, get his name out there going, you know? Because I find him to be really fucking good, you know? He's fucking ill with the lyrics. Very good. He's also a juggalo, but he doesn't use the juggalo to become famous and all like that, you know? But other than that, nope. I got a new channel coming up soon. You know, once I get it all up and running, I'll make a video for it. Post the link up in the description for it. You know, so there's some people to it. That page ain't gonna talk about juggalos or any bullshit like that. It's gonna be you know, straight up random shit, you know. So I was doing 2 before, right? Yeah. And all that.
Alright. Okay.
You know, the snowfall just straight up sucks. Like I said, look at that. Look at all that fucking snow falling in, people. Like I said, not sure if you all can see it or not out there. Yeah. But, you know, I guess it's all good. But like I said, I ain't ready for this. I am not ready for this snow at all.
It's nice. 2 days.
Oh yeah. Right.
It's just that rain.
I don't think but my whole thing is this though. I just wasn't ready for it yet, you know?
No.
My shovel is still packed away. Right? I haven't gone and got gas for the snowblower yet neither.
You get a snowblower. I
Yeah,
didn't know. I did nothing. I have a car, so.
Well, I didn't. I told it was my landlord's, but I just do it for him around the house
Yeah.
and all that stuff. So it helps out with the rent. That's all I care about, you know. Yeah. Let me see here. Let's grab one of these little flies here. See if we have any good seals going on. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Let's see anything good on sale here. I don't see nothing good there. Actually, we'll do it like this and see here. Gotta buy one, get one free. We'll take that with us. That can stay right there. Alright then, people. I'm about to head into the store here and go do a little bit of shopping. Y'all have fun. This is Juggalo Demon 41377. Whoop whoop. Peace out.